Introducing the MCS Falcon HP Inkjet Addressing System. Based on the HP Thermal Inkjet 2.5 cartridge, the MCS Falcon offers 600 DPI quality at a low capital cost. The Falcon Inkjet is a completely new design that replaces the industry-leading MCS Array HP Inkjet. Unlike the competition, MCS designs and manufactures all of our inkjets and camera systems. The HP TIDGE 2.5 is by far the most successful cartridge-based inkjet addressing technology ever sold. With more than 90 different ink cartridges to choose from, including PMS spot colors, no other technology offers the ease of use and flexibility of the MCS Falcon HP Inkjet. The Falcon HP Inkjet system uses industry-standard gigabit Ethernet technology and standard Windows 7 software used by almost any PC. MCS Raptor software drives the Falcon with industry-leading features such as electronic print proofing, an optional PDF workflow, and an unlimited license for desktop job setup. Raptor is the only software that can drive HP, Fuji, and Kyocera inkjet technology at the same time with one PC. The standard configuration for a Falcon includes two 2-inch heads. A single PC can drive up to 10 2-inch heads. The MCS Falcon is a great standalone addressing system for almost all envelopes and self-mailers. Bundled with the Adfos S900 Near IR dryer, the Falcon can address coated and even aqueous-coated stocks at full speed without a printer's knockout. MCS offers 4 different mailing bases for the Falcon, or it can be mounted on almost any existing mail table. The Falcon is the most successful inkjet for read and print operations on a variety of inserters. Low capital cost and seamless integration into the MCS Perfect Match camera system makes the Falcon the perfect inkjet for even high-speed inserters like the Pitney Bowes Flowmaster. The MCS Falcon, the most advanced HP inkjet addressing system on the market today. Call MCS for more information or go to mcspro.com.